Okay. Say bye.
Please do.
Oh, happy 17th.
Rosa, did you get yours?
Alright, let's go. Grab your stuff. Alright, guys. Thank you. I'll see you guys when we get back.
Safe flight.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. Bye, Bruce Lee.
Have a safe flight.
Yeah, thank you. Make sure you guys go up because Mama's sitting up, okay? Okay. Grab the stuff. Let's go. Go grab the big one. It's okay, don't take off your shoes, just hurry up. Okay. Did you close our door? Okay, bye. Love you guys.
We're on our way back. Guam part 2. We're on our way back. We're on our way to Guam. We're gonna board our flight in about 20 minutes. And then get to Cali. And then Hawaii and Guam. Stay tuned, like, and subscribe.
Fira monete. Aku monete pupurero ferro tento. Achigata parapon. I will check in radio nature boy. Hurry up, cause I have to go to under the tent. Feather tent. So we're waiting for our first flight out from Seattle. We'll be heading down to San Francisco, and then down to Hawaii, and then all the way down to Guam. So hope you guys are enjoying the video. Tag along. We'll take you down to Guam once again. Alright, peace out. Huh? You're welcome. Are you excited? That's what I'm getting. I wish it's fish. Take this out.
Okay. Don't be short. Drink over there.
It's okay, it's okay. Let me see, Ecuador. I'm a girl of good for you. Save some from me, man. Anyway, guys, get ready. Get ready for some more videos. If you watch our videos last year, it's gonna be the same thing, but this one is more exciting. We're going on a trip to for a wedding. It's gonna be lots of fun and a lot of people. I was enjoying my food, and then really just told me that just 1, 2, 3, 4 sandwiches, $89. That's not good. Now I'm not enjoying this food. It's like, how do you expect people to eat at the airport if it's that expensive? Honestly, like, $89. So good. I don't feel good anymore. Seriously, I don't like that. I don't like the sound of that. $89 for just 4 sandwiches. That's ridiculously expensive. We had no choice because we're hungry. So if you're at the airport and if you plan on buying stuff in here, don't bring your own food, water. I regret that I didn't bring water or food. Okay. Anston is in Hawaii.
Weekdays, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. And weekends, 8:30 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Ah, so
Thank
tired.
you for your service.
It's like for an hour.
So we're in Hawaii. Who's that? Hi, Celine. We're now on the beach in Hawaii.
Back home.
Yes. So another 6 hours flight, and then now we're in Hawaii. Finally, after 30 years away from Hawaii, now we're back again. No, I'm just kidding. Oh. Hi. Crap, what? I was about to even know.
Jared, you have to prove it to it.
Hey, if I check me oh, daddy.
Musok lang yung vlog. Ito na extend pa. Yes.
Huh? Pierre, hey, can I say hi?
Drink.
Hello. Hi, how are you, bud? Huh? Say hi. Hello. Alright, guys.
Yeah, that you almost gave me a heart attack.
This is like a game. It's all about making
Give me
the
a heart
flight.
attack. I thought you were not gonna come on.
It's about making
And then the way you
making
fit
a
that
flight.
sarili.
You made it. You made it to the flight.
Yung sa mga fit that sarili.
Thank God. You're so. Oh, they made it. I already ate. I didn't know that we're gonna eat. They're gonna give out food, so I already ate my poke. What you got? Fried rice? Fried rice? I'm saving mine. I'm saving mine for later. Finally we landed.
Once we arrive at the gate of the factory, because we've turned off the assembly of the door
Austin
area
is
to allow your flight
excited to
attendants
see
to complete important safety duties.
In this, or what? All his friends.
I'm just ready to stand up. Sitting for way too long.
He said he's ready to sleep.
You excited, mommy? Let's see, folks. Welcome to Guam. Lili, pararian. Mimmi ata para perfettare pöytää pisikin. So we are excited. Go. Gitarre suso. Ay. Hey, rator ko. Wah. Hey. Apu gak? Hei. Lip. Hei. Bisa. Hello. Hello guys. Oh, what's up, Morgan? I don't. Hi, Mars. Hi. Apa kamu? Hei. Lagi siapa? Satu refill Pak Cik. Who's this? Oh, Draven! Wow, you're big! Ini dia apa curi rawasan guys, kapal rawasi. Ni cek tapo, usah. Apa deh? Yeah, but are you excited or sucker? Oh, for yeah. Sebenarnya interview dia ira wah iya ira rawar office terbenci oh saya går nesor ya ha
Nesor saya go. Ya bicara sabu-sabu apa? Ewa fuku papa ewa. Sufur pasapet.
Sassen kulit sa mga ikot. Yorin, misari kaya at panitan.
Yung karusun, mimi. Lor, si Bukari bimisak. Kupre sa kasi sura sa pachon. Jara, ifa. Kasi super. Ang sarap pwede gigit na oroki. Mira. Iba bet. Iya, pa. Apate, welcome to Guam. What's that? Yeah, what's that? We're crap miner. Work ka eh tinukuha. Stay tuned guys. Stay tuned for tomorrow.
Hey, Stan.
Hey.
Nice tomorrow, Stan.
Ira repeat ke. Hi Pelinsa.
Siana, hari kuwi.
Why did they mamanya kan?
Apa? Isibali na. Oi. I-miss call. Ay, alo.
PC ate, it's a PC.
is close. Which is just Chotoro Shiva, which is neighboring. Doing practice. Doing practice. Doing practice. Ayaw puga.
Abi karanlık silah bu. Arkadaşlar bu silah.
You know, look. Lord. Lord. Ah, yet, no. Gracias, gracias. Maybe I flipping it. Ski. Hey. Was on YouTube. Sikisinanan mo yan eh. Cede. Dito.
Om sala. Door passing. Ako. What's going on?
Iya, foka. Darsa kia. Miti. Yang fun. Iya.
Ja, doe het.
Hey guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys down for tonight. Thank you all for coming along on our journey from Washington all the way down here in Guam. And yes, we are back again in Guam for a wedding for our nephew, Rafa. And so we're very happy that we're able to come back again and reunite with families and friends. And yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please stay tuned for the next couple of days or a few days that we're going to be here on Guam. If you happen to see us, don't forget to say hi. And then yeah, well, we're gonna put you guys down because we're gonna crash, because it's been a long day, and it's been a long day for us to travel. And yeah, all right, I'll see you guys. You guys take care, stay tuned, peace out.